Hello and welcome to the video in which we will demonstrate how to code and use one of the Inventor's modules, the black one. To begin, connect the module to the Batcontroller and the Batcontroller to the PC. Turn the Batcontroller on and go to code.circuitmess.com. Create a new sketch and name it RGB light. The first block we'll use is the loop forever block that can be found here. This block ensures that the code within it is continuously executed. Go to the modules block section and find this block inside RGB light part. We set the color to green, but feel free to experiment with all other colors. Now look for the time block saying sleep 500 milliseconds. Let's take this block again, but this time choose a different color. Make another copy of the sleep block. Now check for this set RGB light block and put it below the sleep block. Here you'll have to put the color values. The values are on a scale from 0 to 100, where 0 represents no light and 100 represents the maximum intensity. Set the red value to 100, green to 20 and blue to 20. Therefore, the intensity of red is set to the maximum, while the intensity of the other colors is set at 20%. In the end, copy another sleep block. Click on the Run button and check what you coded.